guy? What the fuck? This guy's going. He went the wrong way. Damn. It's a head on right there. LDY 1719. And apparently, like, this dog park is shutting down the whole lane. Another one. Another one added onto the list. Yo, what is he doing? What? 95422T? What is, like, what? You can't make this up. It's crazy. Wow. Hey. Oh, damn, look at this motherfucker. What? Jesus. He wasn't even supposed to make the turn there. Oh, he got in an accident because of that? Oh my god. He got in an accident because of that. Guys, this is what I was telling you. He hit you making that turn? No plate. He just totally ate that light.
Don't have that guy on, he's a racist.
What's this guy doing?
Literally,
I don't know what their sessions would be like, but, you know, it's...
He has good fucking... Get in the corner, get in the corner, get in the corner, get in the corner, get in the corner. What the hell is going on?
Oh, we didn't eat the light? Oh my god. It's crazy. They don't really care, man.
When the American people find out how their government has secretly interpreted the Patriot Act, they are going to be stunned and they are going to be angry.
I'm telling you, man, the people's, the way they drive. Yo, look at the. You believe this? Look. Wow, that's crazy. How accidents happen. Wow, that's crazy.